Let's talk about how to calculate your interest in money market fund. So I don't want you to continue to just do a guesswork on what you're expecting when you invest in a money market fund. With this, you'll be able to calculate exactly and you know how much to expect when you invest in a money market fund. If it's your first time of coming across my channel, subscribe, give this video a like, and I also have more videos on money market fund, especially the step-by-step on how to get started. I'm going to be dropping that at the end of this video, and probably I'll leave a link in the description. So let's get into it. I'm going to be using a case study of the Stanbic IBTC. Currently, Stanbic IBTC is returning a little above 17%, but I'm just going to leave it at 17% for the purpose of a quick calculation. Now, let's say you invest 1 million naira in the Stanbic IBTC money market fund and at 17%. Now, what is going to happen is you multiply your 17% by 1 million naira, divide by 364 days. What you get is 467. So this shows you that what you're going to get on a daily basis. Don't forget that money market fund returns interest every day. So on a daily basis, you get this. But before you think this is small, just hold on for me to finish this. Now, when you invest in money market funds, this interest you are getting every day, you can choose to leave it in your account and you can choose to withdraw at the end of 30 days, because your minimum holding days with Stanbic IBTC is 30 days. So it means that your fund is going to remain in this account for 30 days before you can withdraw. That doesn't mean that you don't have access to your funds before 30 days. It's just that you're going to be charged a penalty. So if you know you want to put your funds in this kind of fund, make sure the fund can stay for 30 days before you put your funds in this kind of investment. Now, having said that, money market fund is a type that it compounds. By compounding, I mean that whatever interest you get can also make another interest for you. So it's like having a child and also having a grandchild. So it doesn't stop at having children, you also have grandchildren. So this little child you have is also going to give birth to other children. But how is this done? This is only going to happen when you're able to leave your funds in that account for 91 days. So that is 3 months. If you're able to leave your funds in that account for 91 days, which is 3 months, 1 quarter. After the first quarter, all the interest of the first quarter will now be added back to your initial capital and everything will now begin to yield interest for you. Now let's come back to your calculation. If you get 467 naira for 91 days, that's 461 times 91 days. That means at the end of the first quarter, your total earning is 42,497 naira. Now, at the beginning of the second quarter, your new capital is now 1 million naira plus 42,497 naira. Then you multiply by the 17% again. So we are going again for the second quarter and divide by 364. So instead of earning 467 naira on daily basis, now you begin to earn 487 naira. Now this is approximated. You're going to be earning 487 naira every day. Your 487 naira now times 91, that's for the next quarter, that's for the second quarter now, is going to give you 44,317 against 42,497. Now, if you go again the third quarter, you have your 1,042,497 plus 44,317. So with this, your new capital now should be around 1,087,000 naira. So for the third quarter, 1,087,000 naira plus is going to be your new capital. So before you know it, this is how your interest begins to yield more interest for you every quarter. So let me know in the comment section, are you going to try money market fund or money market fund is not for you? By the way, I have a step-by-step guide on how to get started with money market fund. I'm going to leave the link in the description. So see you in my next video and stay blessed.